What if I told you repeating positive affirmations every morning might actually be making you feel worse? Sounds impossible? After all, millions of people stand in front of a mirror saying, "I'm successful, I'm confident, I'm rich." But if positive affirmations really worked the way people claim, why are so many people still stuck in the same life? Don't answer that yet, because the problem isn't affirmations. The problem is how most people use them. Imagine someone who's deeply in debt. Every morning they look in the mirror and say, "I'm a millionaire." Does their brain believe it? No. In fact, their brain immediately starts listing all the reasons it's not true. And that's why many people quit affirmations after just a few days. Not because affirmations are fake, but because they create a battle between your words and your beliefs. So here's the real question. If affirmations aren't enough, what actually changes your mindset? We'll get to that. But first, you need to understand how your brain really works. Your brain is like a lawyer. It doesn't look for the truth. It looks for evidence. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm a failure," your brain starts collecting proof. Every mistake, every rejection, every bad day, it builds a case against you. But here's something fascinating. The opposite is true too. When you start telling yourself, "I'm becoming more confident every day," your brain quietly begins searching for moments that support that belief. Not overnight, but little by little. Why do some affirmations still fail? Because words without action don't create belief. Think about it. Would you believe someone who says, "I'm a great swimmer," but has never entered a pool? Of course not. Your brain works the same way. It trusts evidence, not empty promises. Now remember the question I asked at the beginning. Do positive affirmations actually work? Yes, but only when they're supported by action. Instead of saying, "I'm successful," say, "I'm becoming the kind of person who takes action every day." Then prove it. Complete one task. Read one page. Exercise for 5 minutes. Save $10. Every small action becomes evidence, and every piece of evidence strengthens your belief. That's how real confidence is built. Not by pretending to be someone you're not, but by becoming that person one action at a time. So maybe the most powerful affirmation isn't, "I am successful." Maybe it's, "Today, I'll do one thing that my future self will thank me for." Because those words don't just sound good, they lead to action. And action changes identity. The next time you repeat a positive affirmation, ask yourself one simple question. What action today will prove these words are true? Because affirmations don't change your life. The actions behind them do. And once your actions and your words begin working together, your mindset won't just sound different. It will become different.